Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Santosh Kumar. In this video, we will start new chapter from history, chapter 6, which is Colonialism and the City, the story of an imperial capital. Student, what happened to the cities under colonial rule? We have to discuss how life in the countryside changed after establishment of British rule. Now in this chapter we will discuss what happened to the cities during the same period of time. In this period there were three categories of cities. Number one is Temple town, which located in Madurai. Number two is manufacturing town, which located in Decca. And number three is port city, which located in Surat. Okay. Now in 19th to 20th centuries, Western modern cities emerged with industrialization. You have example Leeds and Manchester. But Indian cities did not expand and set up industry. Now Machilipatnam, which is important port town in 17th century, but its decline in 18th century because trade shifted to presidency. Here presidency means administrative purposes in colonial India divided into three parts, which is Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. This is called presidency. Okay. In 19th century, Delhi became a dusty town. It was rebuilt as the capital of British India after 1911. Calcutta, which was capital of India, but after 1911, which shifted in New Delhi. Also, Delhi was the capital for more than 1000 years. 14 capital founded in bank of Jamuna river. In all 14 capital, Shahjahanabad most splendid capital which built by Shah Jahan. This was old city. And this is also called walled city with 14 gates. Shah Jahan also built Jama Masjid, which is largest mosque in India. Here have some important fact which is very important for you. Number one is Dargah. Dargah, it means tomb of the Sufi Sant. Khanka, a Sufi used as a rest house or people discuss spiritual matters. Here people discuss spiritual matters is called Khanka. Next is Idgah, an open prayer place where Muslim, especially for Eid prayers. And Kal Desak, street with a date and end. एक ऐसा वे जो आगे जाकर क्लोज हो जाता है, बंद हो जाता है, उसे कल दे सैक बोलते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू मीर ताकी मीर, हु वाज द पोएट हु हैव टू डिफाइन व्हेन हु visit Delhi. Delhi is the street of Delhi are not mere street, they are like the album of a painter. According to beautifulness of Delhi, who have to define this is just like a paint, which is very beautiful painting. Okay, but here you will watch society have economic division. Okay, society have economic division. There are some places where have a richer person live, and there are some places where have a poor person live. Richer person who live in havelis and mansions, and poor person live in mud houses. I am asking about Delhi, New Delhi. Society have also gender discrimination. In this period of time, man only enjoyed poetry and dance. So, in society have a discrimination on the basis of gender. Okay. Next video we will discuss the making of New Delhi. Thank you.